Good afternoon, titas, titus. Late ang aming vlog today kay si Cade. Para tuwaw. Where are we going today, my love? Huh? Where are we going today? Grabe, ang init pa rin dito sa Kuan. Today is Sunday, ang init pa din dito sa UK.
We can get some bits and pieces.
May protection si Kid para sa Kuan sobra. Grabe ka init mo Kuan sa isang mata. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man. Mga paliwanag mo'y di na kailangan. Do you like mommy singing? Huh? How's your ride? Huh? How's your ride? Dito na kami sa Kuan, sa walk din. Kami titingnan kami ni baby. Mami gonna go out and get you, okay? Because daddy just get ready your prom. Need to look how daddy do it. Oh no. There you go. See, it's better. Yay!
Yeah.
I think when you do that, you need to adjust this one more down.
Yeah, you probably need.
Yeah, you adjust it, daddy.
No, it's alright.
Is that alright?
Okay, yeah.
Ah, okay.
Cover his legs over with his blanket so we don't get sunburn.
Okay.
There you go. Come on. We're in red.
Yeah, we go there first. You can get this over because that's it. Hi. Hey, Daddy forgot if you lock the car or not.
Oh, bless you. Mummy making you sneeze. God, you stinky bum, ain't you? Yeah.
It's Daddy. You're inside now, my love. No sunny. Passport. You ready?
I have no plans for traveling.
It's okay, just me and Kid. We're gonna steal this card and get a ticket,
Yeah.
right?
Stop, mummy. Start shouting. Yeah, start shouting if we stop, mummy.
What's the matter?
Wah, 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 wah.
Oi! What's the matter? Yeah, where are you? Okay. Where are you? Tingnan nyo naman to. Ayaw sumakay sa pram. Yung nag-pram is yung daddy niya at saka yung binili. I don't wanna go in the prom. I just want mommy. Ayan. Buti pa yung binili na ka-pram. Dito. So, kalami maghalo-halo. Ay, wala mami kapalit pang halo-halo. It's nice to have halo-halo now, dads. Daddy. It's nice to have halo-halo now.
Yeah.
You don't wanna be in the prom. Ay. Stinky bam bam.
You should have got all the bits for the yellow.
Up. Nagutom pala si Dodong.
This one.
He's hungry. That's why he's crying. Don't try your belly small. Make belly smaller. Tapos pupunta kami dyan sa charity. Baka makita kami. Libro yung tingnan ko dyan. Kasi lagi ako nakabili dyan 10 pieces po 1 pound lang. Yun yung laging binibili ko dyan. Kasi babasahin lang naman. Bibili pa ng mamahal. Babasahin tapos wala na. It's better to get in a charity.
What?
The book. Because just reading it and then gone. Yes.
That's it, you're not going to have them forever once you've read them.
No, after reading.
You might read them once again.
Yeah.
That'll be it.
Oh. Gigutom di ay. That's why he's crying. He's itchy because very hungry. You make him hungry. Si daddy kay starving.
You don't think you're fed all day.
I'm cooking you nice food later. Well, that's what you want only, sausage roll. Why you starve yourself today?
Because you keep calling me fat, I'm on a diet.
Shut up. Yung aming baby ay tulog.
Steak or chop.
We'll see what it's like, but
But we've not had them for a while, have we?
we had chops all the time.
Yeah,
I haven't
but-
steaks for a while now.
Yeah, but we've not had chop for
1 month. 3 weeks.
last time we went Bury, weren't it? Last time we went to Bury.
Yeah.
Steak.
Huh?
Steak.
This one?
Steak. Yeah.
Tulog na tulog ang gisapot. Are you tired?
Yeah, my legs are aching.
There's chocolate there today. Your costa is closed already.
Yeah, they're all class A. We've spent too long in the charity shop.
I like going to charity now.
Nice, you can find some little thing.
Yeah. Parang uulan na. Oh. I don't like it when it's bouncing. What is this, babe? Babe. It's hurt. My.
Have you scratched your head?
I don't
Picking?
know. Yeah.
Yeah, scratching it with your nail.
Is he having a?
It's like you scratched it with your nail.
I'm like Cage, scratching all the time.
Like what?
I'm like him scratching. Yeah, it depends on the toys, you know. Gikapoy na si Sean. You've been pushing that since yesterday.
What?
You've been pushing since yesterday. You sleep so good.
After you're starving.
You starve him. Pauwi na kami. It's look like gonna be rain. So it's better. So it's cooler. Uwi na. Sarap ng tulog ni Stinky Bumbum. Mag 7 PM pa dito guys. Tapos yung may araw pa. Grabe pa kasidlit ang suga. Oh, mura pag 2 PM.
You need to practice when the pram up and down.
Huh?
Do you know how to do it?
I think so.
Yeah.
Pinasyal muna namin si Kid para makatulog. Kay grabe kapasok. He cannot sleep, daddy. Oh, the sun daddy on his face, on his eyes. Look. Kalusa mo. Ang ating fish la kay matsaba. There's a lot of people playing here, daddy.